Sweatcoin versus Cashwalk. Two apps that pay you to walk. But which one is actually worth your time? If you want to get paid for walking, these two apps are everywhere. But they work differently, pay differently, and have different problems. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know to pick the right one. Let's start with Sweatcoin. This app has been around longer and has millions of users. You earn 1 Sweatcoin for every 1,000 steps you take. But here is the catch. They charge a 5% fee. So you actually get just under 1 coin per 1,000 steps. The rewards, you can spend your coins on products, discounts, and deals in their marketplace. But here is the big problem. Getting real cash is almost impossible. Most people complain they can never actually cash out money. Now, Cashwalk. This one gives you coins for every 100 steps. You can earn up to 100 coins per day. When you get 5,000 coins, you can cash out for a $5 gift card. Sounds good, right? Well, there is a catch. You have to open the app every day and tap the treasure box to collect your coins. If you forget, they disappear at midnight. Plus, you need to watch ads to actually get those coins. Let's talk money. With Cashwalk, if you walk every day and remember to collect your coins, you'll get about $5 every 6 to 8 weeks. That's roughly $30 to $40 per year. With Sweatcoin, most users report earning way less because the rewards are harder to redeem and real cash payouts basically don't exist. So which is better? If you want actual money you can spend, Cashwalk wins. Yes, you have to remember to open the app daily. Yes, you watch ads, but at least you get real gift cards. Sweatcoin has more users but fewer ways to actually get paid. The winner, Cashwalk for real rewards, Sweatcoin for gamified fun but no real payouts. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.